Welcome to my channel, Intelligent Quiz Explorer. Let's be honest. We all want to get things done faster with less effort. Today, I'm sharing 10 simple life hacks that actually work and will change the way you use your tech and manage your day. Let's get into it. 1. Supercharge your phone. Hack. Switch to airplane mode while charging. Result. It cuts off background signals, allowing your battery to hit 100% much faster. Perfect for those running late mornings. 2. The fresh herb secret. Chop your fresh herbs and freeze them in ice cube trays with a little olive oil or water. No more wasted greens. Just drop a cube into your pan whenever you're cooking for instant freshness. 3. The emergency rice fix. If your phone takes a dip in water, bury it in a bowl of dry rice immediately. Rice acts as a natural desiccant to pull out moisture. Pro tip: leave it for at least 24 hours. 4. Visual memory via screenshots. Screenshot important info like addresses, event tickets, or Wi-Fi passwords. No more scrolling through long chats or searching for emails when you're in a hurry. Your gallery becomes your quick access notebook. 5. Capture ideas instantly. Use your Notes app as a brain dump for every random idea or task. Content creators and students, this is for you. Organizing your thoughts digitally keeps your mind clear and focused. 6. The power of portability. Always keep a dedicated charger or power bank in your bag. Battery anxiety is real. Having a backup ensures you're always connected, especially during long college hours or travel. 7. Go dark for battery life. Enable system-wide dark mode on your smartphone. If you have an OLED screen, black pixels actually turn off, saving a significant amount of battery and reducing eye strain. 8. Keyboard hygiene. Use a soft makeup brush or a sticky note to clean between your keys. IIT removes dust and crumbs instantly, keeping your workspace clean and your keys from sticking. 9. Alarms as productivity triggers. Don't just use alarms for waking up. Set them for your most important daily tasks. It creates a sense of urgency and ensures you never miss a deadline or a study session. 10. Speed up your chatting. Set up custom text replacement shortcuts. For example, typing at automatically fills in your email address. It saves seconds on every message, making you a faster and more efficient communicator. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart tips.